Stop expecting real love from fake hearts. It will only leave you empty. You give your soul, your time, your everything, and still feel like it's not enough. Because no matter how much light you pour into a hollow heart, it won't reflect love back. They take your kindness as weakness and your loyalty as something to use. You wait for texts that never come. You defend them in rooms they never stood for you. You build them up while they quietly tear you down. But real love doesn't hurt. Real love doesn't vanish when you need it the most. You deserve a love that feels like safety, not survival. A love that lifts you, not one you have to beg for. So dry your tears, Queen. Your heart is not a playground. Let them go, not because they broke you, but because you've learned. The right one will not only choose you, they'll protect you, respect you, and never make you doubt your place. Stop expecting flowers from someone who only waters their own garden. My dear brothers and sisters, if you agree with me, then write agree in the comment and hit the follow button for my next video.